Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to play Renegade by Styx on guitar. Tune to standard E and set a metronome at 60 BPM to practice the main riff slowly and accurately. Start with palm-muted downstrokes to lock the groove, then add accents and open chords for the chorus. Focus on smooth transitions between power chords and single string licks, and practice sections in loops until each phrase feels natural and consistent. Warm up with chromatic runs and then learn the riff note by note, isolating tricky parts. Practice the palm-muted chug on the low E and A strings, then add the higher single note fills. Work on alternate picking for the fast passages and emphasize the offbeat accents to capture the song's momentum. Gradually raise the metronome by 5 BPM increments until you reach a comfortable performance tempo. Start the chorus with open-voiced chords and light strumming to create contrast with the verse. For the solo, slow each phrase to groove-level speed and use bends and vibrato where the melody calls for expression. Practice phrasing and timing against the metronome and the backing track, then reintroduce distortion to test how the solo sits in the mix. Play with feel rather than speed for a convincing performance.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.